let's talk about nervous system regulation for both the masculine and the feminine. This is one of the really sacred keys to the journey, because while ever the nervous system is dysregulated, it will cause that separation energy. So, let's look at what happens in those beginning stages of the journey. In the beginning, the energy and the frequency is starting to build. That soul recognition takes place, and what has felt like this magnetic chemistry that is off the scale, where you can talk for hours, where you just beyond love being in each other's company. You cannot get enough of each other. Suddenly the energy builds to a certain point, and there then becomes this separation. This separation is led by story, and the story puts you both into a complete deregulation of complete chaos. The chaos makes you as a divine feminine want to attach on, wants to try and sort it out, just needs that validation that it was more than just what the mind is telling you. And the divine masculine, at this point, it is way too overpowering. The reason why they pull back is because the nervous system completely deregulates. It deregulates because the energy and frequency now that is orbiting the both bodies and the one soul is so powerful that it puts them into a chaotic energy. A lot of the time when I work with divine masculines, they will say, I felt sick. I felt like really ungrounded. I felt really like I couldn't focus on anything in my life. My whole mind was in chaotic energy. I had to pull away. There was nothing else I could do, because the powerful energy, and they're not seeing it as powerful energy, they're seeing it as it just feels chaotic. It feels just like my whole world is going to erupt. And instead of it erupting out, they now start to implode in. And they need to escape it just so they can start to regulate the nervous system. But what they don't understand is, at that point, you have both had soul recognition. You are now on a soul's journey. It is a journey where you are both on the journey together. As one shifts, the other one shifts. As one feels that frequency, you both feel that frequency. And so your nervous system is now working in this frequency together, as that one soul is in that constant feedback. So as you start to balance, they automatically feel it. And what I want you to know is, whenever you're in mind and ego, it sends chaotic, overwhelming energy. Because remember, you're now in that one frequency. It's now in a feedback. You're working in that tandem energy and frequency. So if you are deregulated, and what I want to say is, when the energy deregulates and you start to chase, whether it is just energetic or in the physical, i.e. contacting them, i.e. contacting psychics, what is happening, where is my energy, when are they coming back, when are they leaving, when are they going to be with me, all those questions is push energy. Sending them love, sending them healing, sending them anything is desperate, obsessive, push energy. And this deregulates your nervous system, and if it deregulates your nervous system, it automatically vibrates through, because you've got this one system now that is in constant feedback. So the key is for divine feminine to start to learn how to regulate the nervous system, because when you start to learn how to regulate the nervous system, first of all, it is felt in the heart chakra and the solar plexus. The should have, could have, would have is the solar plexus. Our solar plexus is our emotional brain. So when you start to regulate that nervous system, it starts to ripple through, first of all, to heart, to solar plexus. And as it ripples through to there, it starts to vibrate through into all the meridians. The meridians then are your energetic system within the body. And it starts to change your frequency. And as you start to change that frequency, instead of being in mind and ego of trying to figure out the energy and trying to figure out what's going on with your divine masculine, you come into a regulated energy. Your system, your frequency, your nervous system starts to calm. As your system starts to calm, it feels safe for the divine masculine to slightly come forward. They don't come forward straight away, but slightly come forward. As it starts to calm in your energy, it starts to calm in their world. And as you now start to calm in this one energetic system, you start to see the journey clearer. As you start to see the journey clearer, you move into soul essence. As you move into soul essence, they automatically move into soul essence. And instead of now running, they are now standing still. When they stand still, everything in their world becomes clear. And what they were once running from is now still staring them in the face, i.e. before you were even magnetized in that soul essence. And so that void energy starts to show up again, the lack, what is going on, the repeated Groundhog Day. And they start to acknowledge that actually this connection had something way more, but when they start to come back in, your system then goes into chaotic frequency again, and it starts to deregulate because they are you. So it gives you this feedback frequency. And so it makes you into, well, it puts you into a deregulated nervous system, which then ripples through to them. But each time they start to come in and you start to weave the energy, you start to be able to balance that shared energetic system. And remember, your chakras vibrate at exactly the same frequency. So as you are stabilizing the energy, starting to speak your truth, starting to shift into that inner union at a very deep level, starting to balance the solar plexus, the should've, could've, would've's, and come into the wholeness and fullness, starting to align with your soul purpose and your soul mission, and start to feel safe and secure in your root chakra, it automatically feeds through to the masculine. And this is what is shown on the journey of coming in for these reunions. The reunions is when you stabilize that frequency. At first, when they come in, it will trigger you, and it is up to you then in that separation to move into that beautiful oneness frequency and that sovereign frequency of being able to hold it. And as you hold it, it allows them to come in, and as they come in, they are able to see how the energy and frequency is actually helping them shed and release. You are both shedding and releasing those older, dense frequencies and coming in to that one soul energy. If you need more help and support on your journey, whether it is shifting into your priestess, your sovereign frequency, I just launched my new Cosmic Priestess course yesterday. It is powerful. It is there to get you aligned for 2026. Or if you're still wanting to understand the A to Z of the twin flame journey, that's also there too. 3 W's, catsacredsoul.com. From my heart to your heart, much love.